Well, graphic testimony today from two inmates who say they were brutalized in a locked cell at the hands of a fellow prisoner. KXLY4 Chef Humphrey was in Superior Court today when those victims took the stand.
Michael West is suspected of gouging out the eyes of a fellow inmate, a man named Chad Bolstad. The incident happened just 10 days after West was transferred from a maximum security facility, and under less restrictions, West was able to hurt someone like he had done so many times before.
Today, Chad Bolstad was led to the witness stand by officers from the Department of Corrections. Despite his injuries, the convicted armed robber is still being held as an inmate. Then, as the man accused of gouging his eyes out looked on, Bolstad told the jury he only remembers
coming back to the unit from a visit and getting a cup of coffee, and then I believe I was going to sit down and do some bead work.
Fortunately, there was another inmate in that darkened cell the night that Bolstad was attacked, and he'll never forget the incident.
And then he looked at Bolstad, who was beating, and he said, "Worship me like I'm God or I'll smash you in the face." And he didn't give Chad really a chance to do anything.
Welch says the much larger West punched Bolstad to the floor and then jumped up on down on the unconscious inmate's head.
Chad was laying like, I thought he was dead, and proceeded to just stop strangling him and then just literally pushed his fingers inside of his skull, like inside of his head.
Welch told the jury he tried to help his injured cellmate, but West told Welch he was next on the hit list.
I was terrified. I was scared to death. I really thought I was going to die, but I got off the bunk to try and stop the situation, and I just remember Mr. West turned around and looked at me and said, "Get on the bunk, bitch, or I'll kill you."
Even after Welch backed down, it still wasn't enough to satisfy West. That's when Welch was given a chilling ultimatum.
He said, "I'm going to give you two choices. You either slit your own wrists, or I'm going to do the same to you."
So Welch then actually asked West to pass him a razor, Welch thinking it would be better to get sliced up than have his eyes gouged out. The state has now rested its case, the defense hoping the jury will find West not guilty by reason of insanity. Reporting in Spokane, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.